Hey Homosapiens and Marbites, it's me, Rogue Marby Scott, and I am currently working on quite a few looks today, but today is not the day that you're seeing this video, or the other videos, or you know what I mean. It is currently 10:58 in the morning, so I've actually been up all morning editing and doing makeup videos already. It's not my usual thing that I do on a daily basis, just because I do work a full-time job. However, I have a week off of work, so I've just thought, you know, why not just do loads of makeup so that I can throw up on the channel and, you know, get to see what you guys think and make sure that, you guys know I'm still around. Now, if you've also noticed on the channel, I've also brought out season 2 of Dear Who It May Concerns. That is a pile of videos, you know. It could be something superficial or something very dramatic or very important in the world, which is why I do these dear letters, you know, just addressing certain people, particular groups of people, a particular type of person that might be in your life. Oh my gosh, I look so tired, but I'm not. Seriously, I'm not. I just didn't have much sleep. Anyway, I have had way too much coffee, so I'm going to go straight on to the second look that I'm doing today. And if you didn't catch the first video, because I didn't say it in that video, gosh, I'm so hyper, was brandy and coke, because I like brandy and coke and I love Coca-Cola. Anyway, oh, and I even realized that Coca-Cola came out with a makeup brand or a collaboration with someone. But anyway, let's go into the tutorial. Yeah. So guys, to start off with this look, I'm going to block out my eyelids like you normally see me, and I'm just going to drag that down onto my lower lash line just a tiny bit, but I'm going to blend more, you know, up to my brow bone and into my eyebrows, and just keep blending until I'm happy. Going in with me back from Brazil palette, I am going to build up that yellow to a opacity that, you know, I'm very happy with before I move on to my next shade. But as you can see, I'm just going in furthermore with this eyeshadow. A lot of people have said that these eyeshadows aren't as pigmented as you want, but I believe not every eyeshadow is going to, but you know, you can build up on this, which I love. So as you just saw, I went into the Sugar Trip palette and I went in with a orange, and I went basically on my crease and whole lid, and I'm just blending that because I want there to still be some orange in the whole look also. Spraying and spritzing my brush now with some setting spray. I'm just going in with a red, and I'm going to place that all over my lids, and I'm going to wing that out just a little bit because I want this look to be very true to, you know, the McDonald's logo. So the orange isn't necessarily important, but for you to have a gradient in the whole look, I feel like I did need to have the orange there, just to, you know, gradiate so that it's yellow then red, not yellow red, if that makes any sort of sense to you. So I'm happy with what I've done so far. So I'm going in with my foundation now, and I'm going very fast, and I'm just going to blend that all in. You've seen this process before, so I'm not going to dwell onto it, but I am going to be careful around the, you know, the where I've placed my eyeshadow already. So I'm using a brush which I also feel I have more control over than using a beauty sponge. Going in with my concealer today, as you can see already, I'm just, you know, creating a nice look just to snatch my nose a little bit and just to brighten up those bags underneath my eyes. So originally when I came up with this look, it was going to be the first look that I was going to record on the day that I did it. However, I ended up doing the brandy and coke because basically the glitters were out already and everything for the Coca-Cola look, or the brandy and Coca-Cola look, was already there. So I decided to do that first and then go on to doing, you know, this look, which is going to be, well, you'll see very soon. unless you've read the title, and well, that's already a spoiler. Anyway, as you can see, I'm just baking my face now. I'm kind of baking it in a lightish way. I'm not baking too much. So as you can see, I'm making sure that the powder is, you know, kind of melting into my foundation, and I'm making sure that I'm going along the bridge of my nose, or the sides of the bridge, just to snatch my nose that tiny bit more. So here now I'm just using some concealer that I've already used on my face already. Well, actually I haven't. This is close to my skin tone, should I say. And I'm just using that concealer to carve out a triangular shape, and then I'm going to blend it out. Now, as I was doing this, I was really happy with how it looked, because obviously it's close to my skin shade, and my eyes are not camera like, so therefore I felt like I blended it out nicely, but looking back at the video, I clearly did not. However, it's not all about that, it's just about me carving out the look, the shape. So as you see, I've carved it out, and I'm blending it out now with the brush, and afterwards I'm going to be placing some detailing onto that look afterwards, but you'll see. And I'm just blending in some of my concealer now onto the rest of the sides of my nose before I go on to the rest of the look, because these eyes are not done. So as you can see, I'm using that red that I've already used on my eyelids to bring it down onto the sides of my nose. So I'm kind of using this as my contour, so I'm using that to contour, and then I'm going to go in with a yellow, or the yellow that I've already used, just to blend it out a little bit, just to make that red not seem too prominent on the sides of my nose, but it's still there, you can still see it. And I don't specifically really want that yellow to pop on the sides of my nose, but maybe it could be a good look. Anyway, going in with that red underneath my waterline, and we're going to continue with the rest of the look before we put on some lashes and mascara. Or mascara and some lashes. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me today? Ooh, I'm just going to put some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. So now I'm just going to dust on some highlighter, some gold highlighter, because it's all about the gold, the golden arches and everything. And then I'm going to dust some onto my nose just to make it apparent, but as you can see here, I'm blending in that highlighter into my skin like I always like to do. I hate unblended highlighter. It just looks like so basic. Anyway, as you can see here, I'm using a yellow white liner, yellow eyeliner, and I'm creating the golden arches of the McDonald's sign. Yes, you got it, it's McDonald's. And this was quite tricky just because of the brush on this eyeliner, and it is from NYX. I mean, to do normal eyeliner wings and everything, it's fine, but just to do in details like what I did was like really hard. And I'm just going in with some glittery shimmery lip gloss from Makeup Revolution just for my lips. I don't want my lips to be too much. So guys, that's how I got the look, and as you can tell, I did McDonald's using the colours of McDonald's, red and yellow obviously. I chose not to do much with my lips just because I wanted everything to be like about the eyes. So I just used a gold lip gloss, and it's a buildable lip gloss from Makeup Revolution, but I chose to keep it shared just because I wanted, like I said, everything to be about the eyes. And yeah, so inspired by another brand. I was inspired by Coke. Then I was obviously inspired by today, McDonald's. I think I might do something that joins those two together again, because McDonald's and Coke go together. Maybe I might do a McFlurry. I'm just gonna have to do my research because I don't eat McFlurries because lactose intolerant. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the look. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and remember, I have another series out. It's called Dear Who It May Concerns. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Marbites.